Hi, welcome to another Tips for Landlords and Property Managers video sponsored by fastivic.com Law Group. On today's episode, we'll cover tips on how to manage roommates on your rental property. Remember, the contents of this video shouldn't be considered legal advice. Landlords are often split when it comes to deciding whether it's a good idea to rent to roommates or not. The truth is, special issues may arise from renting to unrelated tenants, such as lease agreements, security deposits, collecting rent, screening, and issues among the tenants. It's not all bad, however, because allowing roommates can offer a wider pool of tenants who are looking for a more affordable living situation. What are some things you should consider when allowing roommates in your rentals? Rental agreement. A rental agreement is the most important tool you will have in your toolbox as a landlord. It's important your rental agreement is signed by all roommates who will be living on the property. You should speak to an attorney to ensure your rental agreement includes adequate protections in a roommate situation by making all roommates jointly liable. This means all roommates are equally responsible for the terms listed in the rental agreement. Addendums should be considered when there is a change of roommates. Screening. You should always take tenant screenings into your own hands. In other words, you shouldn't trust a roommate's judgment on how great a potential tenant is, no matter how long they've been best friends. Avoid subletting situations. Subleasing is when an original roommate wants to move out but finds someone else to come in and finish the rest of the lease. The biggest issue here is that if you don't draft a new rental agreement or an addendum, the subletting tenant can't be held responsible for damages and/or non-payment of rent. If you allow roommates to swap mid-lease, there are other arrangements you can make to ensure you properly screen your new tenant. Collect one rent check. To save yourself the hassle of chasing each roommate for rent, you should only collect rent from one source. This could be one check, one transfer, one rent payment, etc. Remind your tenants that they are all jointly responsible for paying rent, so let them figure out how to pay rent through one source. Security deposits. Security deposits can get messy when it comes to having a roommate situation. One of the best practices is to collect just one security deposit for the entirety of the lease. If any of the roommates decide to move, ensure you collect that portion first from the new roommate before returning that deposit. Do you allow your tenants to have roommates? Do you do anything different? Let us know about it in the comments. Please like, share, and subscribe if you have found this video useful. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.